my Lake Worth Beach friends and neighbors. Today I want to take a moment to remind you of some basic rules that you need to follow. Unfortunately, the numbers are not going in a good direction with regards to the pandemic, and although we are all tired and stressed, we must find our resolve and keep fighting COVID. The county has reaffirmed its mask mandate, and so it's important that anytime you're out of the house, whether at a restaurant or the shops, that you wear your mask. It's also important that you wear your mask correctly. The mask should cover your face from the bridge of your nose to your chin and should remain in place while you're in any establishment. To help with this, look out for your free reusable face mask from Palm Beach County. It's coming in the mail soon. I must also ask you not to dispose of your mask on the ground. Our lifeguards have reported masks being left discarded on the beach sand. This is absolutely unacceptable. When you're finished with your mask, either take it home and dispose of it once home or put it into a public waste receptacle. In addition to masks, you should consider to social distance as much as you possibly can. Try to remain, please, 6 feet apart and avoid physical contact such as shaking hands. Whenever you can, please take a moment to wash your hands with soap or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Finally, the city has worked with multiple testing agencies to provide a regular schedule of testing sites all across Lake Worth Beach. It only takes 10 minutes to get tested, and you can check your results online at covid19resultsfl.com. Find your nearest testing site at lakeworthbeachfl.gov/testing. Something else that only takes 10 minutes but will affect your life for the next 10 years is the 2020 census. If you have not completed yours, then please visit my2020census.gov and answer just a couple of questions about whoever else was under your roof and yourself as of April 1st of this year. Remember, unlike voting, the census is not just for citizens. It is counting every man, woman, and child in the United States. Any personal identifying data from your response will be sealed for 72 years, and no government agency other than the Census Bureau has access to the data. So please, complete your census and help Lake Worth Beach get the funding and representation it deserves. Are you needing to get out and fight that COVID belly? Well, why not join your recreation team starting August 21st for the third Lake Worth Beach Step Challenge? We have conquered Mount Kilimanjaro and the Kungsleden. Now we look closer to home with a challenge set in your own backyard, the Everglades. To complete this challenge, you will need to make 350,000 steps covering 165 miles between August 21st and October 2nd. As with previous step challenges, you do not actually need to set foot in the Everglades, but rather get out and explore Lake Worth Beach while tracking your steps. The step challenge is free and can be completed as an individual or as a team. Florida Health has implemented a COVID contact tracing program for those who test positive for the virus. Contact tracing is a disease control measure. Public health professionals work with patients to develop a list of everyone they have been in close contact with during a certain period of time. The staff will then contact those people to let them know about their possible exposure so they can take proper precautions. And do not worry, if you test positive, the public health professionals who conduct contact tracing are highly trained in confidentiality. When they talk to people who have been in contact with a patient, they do not share any information about that person under any circumstances. Have you heard of Kahoot? Well, get the kids and prepare to have a hoot on August 5th at 7 p.m. You can join other residents on Zoom for a game of Kahoot, the game-based learning platform used as a form of educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Join us for a night of learning games and Zoom-based socializing. Just be sure to register before August 4th at lakeworthbeachfl.gov/Kahoots, KAHOOTS -sign up. Thank you all. Please wear your mask, Please join the fun at all of our virtual recreation programs. And please, 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 please complete that census, my2020census.gov. We need those funds to come directly to our city. Come on, folks. It's that important. And don't forget, together, through this pandemic, we can face anything that comes our way. You guys are doing so well. Please continue to look after one another. And of course, please wash those hands. God bless you all.